Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this brilliant 308 in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower and comes with a 6-speed manual gearbox. Outside the car you've got 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Inside the car though you've got the touchscreen that features sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. Some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So this car comes with 1 year's warranty, it's been regularly serviced by ourselves and it's also free to tax. So if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton.